Hey guys, Darren here from Weimann Landscapes, here in central Wisconsin on a 45-acre parcel, doing some deer habitat work. And this is a great time of year to be able to get this stuff done. It's mid-February, end of February actually, and obviously hunting season's been over for a while. And after some fresh snow on this property about a month ago, came up and did some recon. Basically did some scouting, looked through the woods for sign. About a month and a half after deer hunting season is over. It's a great time to do that, especially after some fresh snow. You can get out, see where some deer movement is, really get to see and go into some of the areas that you can't go into during the hunting season because you don't want to spook deer. So did that about a month ago and drew up a plan and came up with 6 different spots for water holes. So we dug in some water holes, brought the Bobcat E42 in. Boy, it makes lickety split of these things. So we were able to get 6 of these in, all strategically placed. You can see behind me, we've got they've got a deer stand here that they use for both gun and crossbow. So we got about a 20-yard shot here. There was already a deer trail going from some bedding about 100 yards over here. There's a food plot about 100 yards that way, and it's just a natural corridor where they come through here, and we thought we'd give them a water hole to give them a reason to stop just for a minute or two on their way to food. So this would be a great spot. This is something we can do for you. With our E42, we can come into your property and get these water holes in for you, lickety split. So this is that time of year, folks. If you're going to do deer habitat, now's the time. We go through, we mess up the woods a little bit, have to make some trails to and from spots like this. But after green up, here we are, it's almost March. It's supposed to be in the high 60s next weekend, or actually this weekend, and continually 50s and 60s here in Wisconsin over the next few weeks. So things will green up, the woods will kind of repair itself, and by the time deer hunting season comes, you'll never even know the machinery was there. But here you go, you have yourself some water holes, and I'll be posting some videos of the work we did putting these in, and just show you how easy it is and what we can do for you.